Hi guys and welcome back po to Tarot Page Philippines. So this video, gawin natin ang weekly horoscope para po sa may mga sun, moon at rising ng Scorpio for October 20 to 26. So kung bago po kayo, subscribe, like, and share. And kung hindi mo alam yung sun, moon at rising sign, sa end of the video may link tayo para dito. Importante kasi siya para mapanood nyo. Remember, the readings are for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. And kung kailangan nyo po ng private readings, pa-schedule, or spell works, or gusto nyo po magbigay ng donation using GCash Maya, details are in the description below, or you can use the thanks button sa baba. Scorpio, how are you? Okay, so we have here is the card of the Hangman. Okay, so medyo nag-iba na yung mindset mo. Maybe because tapos na yung na natatapos na rin yung Pluto retrograde. So nag-stationary na siya noong October 14 or 13 depende kung nasang bansa ka. So with this card kasi ando na pinapakita ng card na you are trying to look at things from a different perspective na ando na iba sa inyo nagpo-pull na ng mga favors. So yung may mga sabihin natin na ay may favor si ganito or ando na alam mong pwede kang humingi ng favor sa taong to or ng assistance, nagpo-pull ka na, nanghihingi ka na. Kasi you're trying to find a way, you're trying to be creative na rin sa pamamaraan mo kung paano mo aayusin yung mga bagay-bagay or how you're going to expand yourself and paano ka, andoon na, how you're going to be that better person in every aspect. Pero, ano yung crossing mo? So, your crossing here is the Seven of Swords. So, this card is actually saying then na with andoon na yung hindi mo alam pa paano mo ngayon. Collectively kasi alam mo na yung gagawin eh. You have plans, you have targets, but you are trying to think, ano yung uunahin ko? Ano yung dapat kong gawin? Ano yung timing? So, doon ka ngayon nagkakaroon ng concern. Although, sabi nga sa, diba, sa mga fast food minsan, willing to wait po ba? So, andoon naman yes, willing to wait naman ng mga Scorpio. But, andoon kasi siguro, isa sa pinakamahirap gawin talaga is maghintay. Yung parang hindi mo alam kung kailan, especially kung walang time frame na binigay. Ayan, mahirap talaga. But this one, sasabi ng card sa'yo, wait ka lang. Kasi what you need is already there. Hintay may bibigay sa'yo yung manual. Ibibigay sa'yo yung instruction book kung paano mo gagawin itong mga bagay ito. Kung paano mo sisimulan. At kailan sisimulan, with whom. So, ibibigay na yon. Isang latag yon. Huwag mong madaliin yung sarili mo sa part na yon. Now, your desire card, we have here is the Four of Pentacles. So, this card is actually saying din naman na, well, ando na medyo gusto mo maging, ang dami sa inyo, gusto maging pangawala in terms of finances. Kasi, ang dami sa inyo naburo. Ang dami sa inyo parang, you have been fulfilling a lot of responsibilities, maybe through sa work, or business, or sa family. Pero medyo na neglect yung part of focusing on your personal desires, on your plans. So, yeah, may ba sa inyo andoon na you are planning na medyo maging extravagant sa sarili nyo, na maging more focus, which is a very good thing kasi dapat binabalance din natin yan. Now, your foundation is the card of the Tower. Ay yung point na ano ba kinakatakot mo? Ba't di ka magsabi? Ano ba? You mean, walang masama na aminin natin kung isang bagay is, hindi kung kailangan ng tulong. Actually, kung talagang gusto natin yung isang tao, or gusto natin isang bagay, or plano, ito yung dinedesire natin. The thing is kasi, kung hindi mo siya gagawin, sino gagawa? Kailan pa? So, mabuburo lang yung mga desires mo. Alam mo, huwag ka umabot sa punto na parang magiging takbo mo is, sana, sinabi ko pala dati, sana pala nag-take ako ng chance, sana, ayun, huwag nating paabutin doon sa moment na, kasi na yun, technically, regrets yun, at as far as I know, wala nang remedy ang regrets. May pusa dito. Wala nang remedy. So, the thing is, kailangan mo talagang, if you have the chance, ibigay naman ng universe yung chance, go for it. Huwag mong pigilan sarili mo. Although in the past, we could see here is you have the card of the star. So, yun nga, nakakatuwa kasi before, you know what you want. Pero since nga ito na yung moment of, sabihin natin na, time moment of waiting ka, hintay-hintay din, andoon na, nag-wish ka. Sa parang, sana katulad na lang dati, sana it was like before, sana it was like what I've experienced in the past. But the thing is, past is already in the past. So, we cannot dictate that. Kasi yung past will be just a way for us to understand on what we can do for the for the present so that we could influence yung future. Ito yung point na nasasabi ng card of the star na ano maging sa past po, what were the things that you were targeting? So, medyo kailangan magkaroon ka na ng reflection. Kailangan mo pa ba yun? Yung mga desires mo bang yun is really something that will be admirable? Maganda ba siya? Makatulong ba siya sa'yo? Or naging spark of the moment na lang ba yun na, bet ko to kasi ganto-ganto. Or influence na ng mga tao na sa paligid mo. It's time to evaluate what were your goals in the past. Kung talagang reasonable pa rin siya sa'yo. Kasi in the possible future, eto ka, katali, charing. So, we have here the 8 of Swords. Well, with that kasi, with that being said, andoon na medyo isi-shatter ng universe yung mga ibang plans mo. Andoon na bibigyan ka ng chance to transition to a different place. So, malamang, kasi covered na nato yung transition mo eh. Sa October 23 na start ng season mo, di ba? So, andoon na magkakaroon ka ng transition, you're going to break away from those sa pagiging safe mode mo. So, babalik ka na doon sa pagiging adventurous mode. You're going to allow your Pluto side, your Pluto planet, to really take over your house na. So, guys, kung nakaka-resonate ka with the reading, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. But, let's continue. So, Scorpio, your emotional environment, ayan na, magiging bato naman tayo. So, the 8 of Cups. So, andoon na, paano ko ba ipuputin towards? Oo, sige na, go. Landi na kung gusto mong lumandi. Pero, ang pinaka-concern ko lang at this point kasi, although sa'yo, it's just a game or play lang siya, pero kasi, paano yung mga tao na pwede mo masaktan? So, the universe wants to gusto niyang ipaalala sa'yo na maging concerned ka din doon. Feelings is isang bagay na hindi dapat nilalaro. Of all the zodiac signs, ikaw dapat yung masakaintindi. Kasi, isa sa pwedeng masakit na gawin sa isang Scorpio is betrayal. But, in the physical realm, we have here, yung physical world mo, environment mo, we have here is the King of Cups. So, this card is actually saying na people will find you more, medyo napapansin na naman ng, you're more in tune sa emotions mo. Ayun nga, kasi nga nag-transition from Libra to Scorpio. So, andun yung point na may kita nila na, medyo mas sensitive ka, and you will be, andun na yung point na you know when to communicate, kung kailan ka mag-reach out, and kailan ka magtatanong, and andun yung gusto ko na, it's not about the secrecy na. It's about honesty. So, kasi magkakaroon ka ng issue kung ano ba, ikikip mo yung promise mo to secrecy or magsasalita ka because of honesty. So, magkakaroon ng thin line between sa dalawang yon. Well, your hopes and fears, we have here is the 5 of Cups. So, well, siguro fear mo lang talaga baka hindi ma-reciprocate yung emotion na sasabihin mo pag nagsabi ka ng totoo. Which is, yun yung ba't mo minamanifest, di ba? Bakit yun doon ka agad nakafocus na, ay nako, kasi baka sabihin niya ganito or sabihin niya ganyan or i-deny ako, blah, blah, blah. Why? Dahil ba mas madaling isipin ng negative kaysa sa mag-take hold sa positive side? So, it is something that the universe will teach you. Kasi, andoon din naman na sometimes, or hindi pala sometimes, most of the time, kung ano yung dinedeclare mo, kung ano yung nangyayari, yun yung gaganap sa'yo. So, it's time na medyo kailangan baguhin natin yung part na yun. Okay? Because in the possible future, Scorpio, we have here is the Knight of Wands. So this card is, hi! So this card is saying na there are things from the past na literal ibabalik sa'yo ng universe. This will be things na ginagawa mo. Kasi nga, part siya nung retrieval ng card of the star. So, things from the past will be coming back. Not just people, but also ideas, action plans, even yung goal settings mo. Ibabalik siya ng universe in the sense na for review. Kasi marami doon, kailangan, kumbaga matagal na silang dapat na gawa. Matagal na siya dapat nag-take flight. Andun lang yung point na pinipigilan mo yung sarili mo. So I hope nakatulong yung readings. Those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. At tandaan, yan, kung bago kayo, subscribe, like, and share. So Scorpio, maraming salamat. God bless. Namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be. And hope to see you soon. Mula po dito sa Ililikhaing Baguio. You have a great day. I'll see you on our next video. Bye!